Hi everybody, this is Leah of seejanedrill. Now I got a light bulb that broke off in the socket. Who hasn't that happened to, right? Well, I've got a 60-second solution for you to get that light bulb out of that socket in a jiffy. And I'm going to tell you all about it coming up next. So the best tool, believe it or not, are needle nose pliers. They really reach in there and grab hold. And I got to tell you, resist every temptation to use a potato. Now you want to take it, grab the rim, and turn. Give it a good tug because, it takes a little bit of effort. And little by little, you'll be able to ease the light bulb out. Okay, so now I've got my new light bulb, got the old one out, the broken one, right? And now I'm just going to install it, put it in there, and I decided to go with an energy-saving bulb this time. And let's turn it on. There we go. So everything's good. Now, what I want to tell you again is resist all temptation to use a potato. Just use those needle nose pliers and you will be fine. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.